Hey guys, how's it going? Want to welcome you to my channel, RTS Railroad Transportation Simulator. I haven't done an update in one of these for a while, as this was shot in December of 2020, and we're now January 2021, just into the new year. Uh, Basically, I've been around for 10 years, and I've done various things, mainly with car forwarding software, having a server for run a train simulator. Probably the bulk of the time. I did that for about 7 years. And what you're seeing here is drone footage of nearby where I live, St. Catharines, as you're approaching 12 Mile Creek. Now, this is something that is fairly new for me. And it's actually taken quite a bit of uh, the channel bandwidth as of late because this has been becoming my passion. However, that being said, the reason why I still take shots like these is because I want to get into the in-depths of building a route, which I am in the process of doing in a program well known, which of course is Trains Railroad Simulator 2019. So I'm developing the route in Trains. I have been developing it for a few months. Haven't been touching it lately. But the reason why I've kind of been on a hiatus as of late is I've been doing more drone flying. I've been doing a lot of more railroad photography, some scenic photography with the drone, as you know, just general rail fanning. Unfortunately, Trains doesn't uh, have all the models out there, but they have a lot of great stand-ins. So when doing something like this, now this isn't a good example of seeing from the side. I didn't actually go to the side in this trip. I actually was filming from a nearby overpass by St. Catharines Station. But I wanted to get the feel for what it looked like down the river as if a train was passing here, what the scenery looked like below, and uh, definitely what the scenery looks like from track view if you were running a train. You don't get those views from Google Earth or Street View because, well, there's no streets here. So everything you're seeing, the bridge in the background, the skyline of downtown St. Catharines there, everything that you're seeing is basically from the eye of the drone that I can take into places. A good example is another video that I have online that I'll recommend at the end of this is Dane City. And the reason why I recommend Dane City is because that shows the operation. It was one of the earliest videos I took actually with the drone. And it really gives you, that was what really opened it up for me was once, I obviously had the drone, but was able to go back into there and see that it was just amazing. And, I can go astronomical heights. I go 120 meters. I can actually go beyond that and get beautiful, you know, beautiful vista scenes. Especially with the winter or whatever. There's that bridge. There's still scrolling a little faster than I should be doing, but that's okay. I'm getting better with my photography. Let's just say it still needs some refinement, but that's really in a nutshell what you can find on this channel. You'll find other video games here and there that I'll hit and miss with. I dive into different topics. Sometimes I dive into controversial topics. I'm not afraid to touch politics. I'm not afraid to touch philosophical arguments. But generally speaking, my main passion right now is the drone, flying the drone, and sharing as much information as I can. In fact, I mean, just this weekend alone, I think I have about, I don't know, a good dozen shots. It's only been 2 of a 3 day long weekend for the New Year's weekend. and I've already got something along the lines of I think a dozen flights and various trains, some of them fairly small, but near areas such as Hamilton and the back ends of Niagara, etc., Fort Erie. So yeah, I do it sometimes for Niagara and sometimes for trains, but sometimes I just do it for the pure enjoyment of seeing trains, actual trains, uh, to the pure enjoyment of just flying. Um, you can't put yourself into. I don't get paid to do any of this. I don't get paid for the channel or anything like that. So uh, what you will see is my passions. I'm always open to it. I have a forum as well. If you look into the channel banner, I believe I think it's a Google tab because it is a Google Sites link. That'll take you to much more in-depth blogs. I do the occasional live stream, although I kind of have been backing off of those as of late. Those are also available as well, so you'll see those if you subscribe to my channel. Set the notifications on. You'll get a notification anytime I'm about to go live or if I have any new content. So new content still coming on a regular basis. I'm fairly passionate in this for now. I don't have the base that I used to have, unfortunately. The base, like I said, belongs to Run 8. Will I ever do Run 8? A lot of people ask me, are you going to do Run 8 stuff again? And the question is, it all depends on what Run 8 does. And I don't dwell in the past. I live in the present and the future. And this is what I'm doing right now. I want to make sure that I've updated this channel just to say this is what I'm doing right now. This was a good one to do some commentary on because there's actually no trains going through, so it's hard to do a commentary when there's trains going by. But try to put some good music with it, etc. So always, give a like, check out some more videos, subscribe if you haven't already, and enjoy the scenery. If you have any areas around Niagara or any place else that you suggest that you'd like to see, drop me a line and let me know, and I'll take that under advice and consider it. Have a good one. Take care, guys.